Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas verdes. First, let's prepare our vibrant green sauce. Begin by roasting 6 tomatillos, 2 serrano peppers, and 1 jalapeno until they are beautifully softened. Next, sauté 1/4 of a white onion and 2 cloves of garlic until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, blend these roasted vegetables with the sautéed aromatics and 1 cup of rich chicken broth. Finally, simmer this delicious sauce for about 10 minutes, adjusting the salt to your perfect taste. Now let's get our filling and tortillas ready for assembly. You'll need 2 cups of perfectly shredded cooked chicken breast for a savory and satisfying center. Next, gently warm 12 corn tortillas in a bit of hot oil for about 15 seconds per side. This makes them pliable. After warming, dip each tortilla into our simmering green sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Lay these sauce tortillas flat on your workspace, preparing them for the next exciting step. With our tortillas and filling prepared, it's time for the fun part: assembly. Take each sauce tortilla and place 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious shredded chicken down the center. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, then arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Once all 12 enchiladas are nestled, pour any remaining green sauce evenly over them. Finally, generously sprinkle 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese over the entire dish, ready for baking. The final step is baking these beauties to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the enchiladas for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is wonderfully melted and bubbly and the sauce is heated through. Once out of the oven, garnish your enchiladas with fresh cilantro, thinly sliced red onion, and a dollop of Mexican crema for extra richness. Serve immediately with a side of rice and beans for a truly authentic and incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.